Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include Wilmington, Hartleton, McCall Dam State Park, Cassie Mountain Ski Area, and Pennsylvania Military Museum. For those driving on Interstate 80, this includes areas between the Lock Haven and Mile Run exits, specifically from mile markers 183 to 196. This includes Interstate 99 from mile markers 77 to 82. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties: Center, Clinton, Mifflin, and Union. Western York County in south-central Pennsylvania until 3:30 p.m. At 2:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over New Oxford at 25 miles. Hazard is 60 miles per hour.
Eastern Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, western located. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Hampton around 2:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Easterly and Bright meet around 3 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Hello around 3:20 p.m. York, Emmonsville, and Manchester around 3:30 p.m. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include York Haven, Heidlersburg, Abbottstown, New Salem, and Lewisberry.
Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include York Haven, Heidlersburg, Abbottstown, New Salem, and Lewisberry. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 15 to 34. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Effective on 2:57 p.m. This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Lancaster County and York County, effective until 3:57 p.m.
This severe thunderstorm will be near Stewartstown and Crossroads around 3 p.m. Delta, Silver, and Holtzwood around 3:20 p.m. Wakefield and Coreyville around 3:40 p.m.
Miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated.
Peach Bottom, Little Britain, and Manville.
Expected. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:57 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Stewartstown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts
Around 3:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Radar indicated.
Wakefield and Coreyville around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Peach Bottom, Little Britain, and Airville. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 4. Precautionary/preparedness actions.
Eastern Daylight Time.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Conway, Peach Bottom, Little Britain, and Airville. This includes Interstate 83 from mile markers 0 to 4. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Fort Loudon, Williamson, Upton, and State Line Hotel.
Pennsylvania, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:38 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Strausstown, or 8 miles south of Schuylkill, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Hamburg and Strausstown. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 17 and 33. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 5:30 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Friedensburg, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pottsville, Tamaqua, Schuylkill Haven, St. Clair, Owensburg, Port Carbon, Hometown, Tuscarora, New Philadelphia, Friedensburg, Grier City, Park Crest, and Rainers. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following county: Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. Quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Kutztown, Hamburg, Fleetwood, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Strausstown, Leonardsville, Fairview Heights, and Centerport. This includes Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 19 and 41. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following county: Berks, Pennsylvania.